the industry forerunner in turbine repair, Liburdi identified the need for welding automation as early as the 1980s and revolutionized the repair of turbine components.
Liburdi Automation provides a turnkey system. Everything starts with the application. That's what drives what specific platform we're looking at. It may be also the process that we're looking at. At Liburdi, we offer TIG, plasma, and laser processes. Not every application will fit each process, so we narrow it down to which process it is, and then we start looking at each application specific to itself. We start looking at the metallurgy of it, we start understanding what type of component it is, what the best platform would be. The heart of the Liburdi systems are the power supplies. Our TIG and power supplies are a hand-built unit, and that's what gives us the weld quality that we need for our applications.
The customer's needs, both immediate and long-term, are central to every law's development. Liburdi's engineering team works in close collaboration with customers throughout all development stages to gain a full understanding of the applications, enhance production yields, and to be in full compliance with acceptance standards. To ensure full satisfaction, requests for design modifications are encouraged. Once in use, Liburdi will continue to provide strong aftermarket support and services. We offer general guidance, basic and advanced operator training, maintenance training, new welding procedure development, calibrations, and eventual product modernization. The goal is for customers to use laws with confidence and self-sufficiency for both the short and long term, knowing that Liburdi is there to help.
Win-law software is really easy to learn because it's so intuitive. It only takes about a week of training.
The LAWS is capable of welding complex shapes with minimal operator intervention, using closed-loop peripheral sensors and advanced 2D and 3D imaging. The robot can adapt to variations that affect weld quality, all while communicating and capturing live data via the new 4.0 software technology system.
There are 4 key design principles behind 4.0. Machine connectivity, data transparency, remote support, and centralized decision-making. The end goal of having all our data in centralized servers is that we can take advantage of machine learning and AI to figure out what the data means and if we can see trends in that data to make our welding smarter.
These AI advancements save time and reduce human error, allowing for better adherence to the stringent requirements of the aerospace and medical industries. The LAWS 500 is a fully coordinated robot used for welding complex shapes and challenging alloys. It has the smallest footprint of the LAWS product line, making it the perfect fit for busy production shops around the world. The LAWS 1000 is a fully customizable work cell, designed with the customer's application in mind and driven to meet their high standards. Because the LAWS 1000 is highly intuitive and meets the requirements of the most complex applications, the launch of the new LAWS 1000 has been a global success. For large parts that require high-precision welding, the LAWS 5000 is the ideal choice, with a high-capacity positioner and the industry-renowned Liburdi Pulse Weld power supply. The pulse and feeding rates are highly controlled for welding thin edges of fan blades, knife edge seals, and more.
Liburdi does provide a turnkey system, but one of the key components to a truly turnkey system is working with our clients as a partner. Understanding what the application is, understanding what the end goal is, and we see that driving forward the product.
Liburdi Automated Welding Systems, powered through partnership.